It's another gorgeous day in the neighborhood. Good morning. Hi. I didn't see Tux down below, but I also don't see him up here yet, so don't know. Hi. Well, Tux came out from under the tarp. As long as he only goes underneath there after the other guys have already left for the morning, I guess it's okay. But one of these mornings they're gonna meet and somebody's gonna get hurt. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Do I need to help you decide to go? Come on. Let's go. Yep, you. It's another gorgeous morning. I'm meeting Michelle to go shopping.
Yeah, I guess there's some people that got all the luck. And some of us have to work.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Wasn't my idea.
Yeah, right. I know, this is all on me.
Come on, Tux. Let's go, bud. My forsythia's blooming.
Oh, it is?
Little yellow bells.
Yeah. Yeah, things are starting to do. This must be springtime.
Must be.
But some of us have to work today.
I'm so sorry. Don't worry. I'll work you tomorrow, too, when you're not really working inside.
Oh, boy.
You scared my cats. Yeah, Don said he's going to cut the limbs off of that trunk and cart them off and probably leave the trunk where it is. I know the squirrels and stuff really like running on it. They like their jungle gym up off the ground. But yeah, I agree with cutting the limbs off of it at least. I think we'll be back over here today. I'm noticing on this side some of the little scrub having honeysuckle choking on it. I might work on that while he pulls on out of the ground on the other side. Hey, buddy. Aw. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. I left Tux there. Is he there? Nope. I'm sure he's up there. Hopefully they don't run into each other. Y'all just don't. I've seen him come home with bite marks, so I'm really trying to avoid that. He worries me. You know, I care about my kitty. Michelle just messaged me, and she's having a vet emergency. It sounds like Jarvis, her big golden retriever, might have a UTI, so unfortunately she's unable to meet me. I'm gonna go anyway. Michelle says she's actually just dropping Jarvis off. You know, with COVID, they don't really let you go in anyway. So she's gonna meet me just 30 minutes later than our normal time. She's gonna meet me at 11, and I don't know if she'll be able to stay the whole 3-hour tour, but we'll at least see each other and we'll get some shopping in. So I am out of the house and I'm gonna go play pogo a little bit, get that out of the way for the day on my way over to Guardian Angel. It's currently 10:30 almost. I'm always running a couple minutes late up there, so I won't have to wait too long. No denying spring is here now. The Bradford pears are starting to open up. Just caught a shiny thunderous, so Michelle did me a favor by giving me a few extra minutes to play pogo. And there's a few cars here today. Hey girl. I'm good. I caught a shiny Thunderous. Thank you for letting me have time to play Pogo on my way to Guardian Angel.
I wish it was under better circumstances.
I know. Is he going to be okay? We just thinking UTI?
Yeah, I think so. Hopefully it's just a UTI. Hopefully.
But it's a boy.
Yes. Oh, Toby used to get a lot of them. My kid.
Okay. Well, we'll keep our fingers crossed. Antibiotics, home, good as new.
Yeah.
Okay. If I get to wear one of those dresses, I want to be a little girl again. Wow. Tons of new toy bags, goodie bags. I didn't see any Legos, although typically they spill the bag if the bags get tore, so they keep them up near the register at the other store. Look at all the cute little girl bikes. They grow out of them so fast, and cute little boy bikes. Connor can be the perfect little leprechaun in his little one-piece shamrock pajamas. We have a 1-inch, a 1.5-inch T-ball. This is a 3-inch. I got a luggage tag for Johnny. I got a couple of Easter hand towels. Hoping somebody will pinch her.
Oh yeah, I think Ariel would do good here.
Well, you found the cutest flamingo, and look what I found. A mermaid. Just for you.
It's a good price,
The selection of Easter table runners and tablecloths is awesome. Although I didn't really find one I think will work for me. I like this one, but it's round. Michelle's on the phone with the vet, and it is a UTI?
Uh-huh, yes.
Okay. Phew.
A very expensive one.
Oh no. Those toys and no Legos. This is not real Legos. It's like Mega Bloks or something. Short sleeve season. That is an old shirt because that's a shuttle launch. STS-120 Discovery. You look like you got stuff to put in the cart, and this looks very scary.
Oh yeah.
It's a small. Can Connor still wear it?
Oh yes.
Okay. Cups today. I did find a butterfly and a heart punch, and for $3 that's good because those are like 15-16 bucks at Michael's or AC Moore. Michelle found a reverse incense pot, $5. They're like 20 or more on Amazon. See you next week.
Will do.
Bye. Love you too. Mwah. Hi. Trying to show Dawn the Easter towels. Are you going to lay on them?
Yeah, and cat towels now.
This one says I'm all ears. This one says show me the bunny, and these just have Easter eggs on them. So they're $1 a piece up there, and they're like brand new.
Yeah, really.
If I'd have gone to Kohl's and got 2, I'd have paid a minimum of $8 for 2. So I got 4 for 4. I like it.
I agree. So do I.
So they let you breathe after 4 hours?
Yeah, well, it was a very productive day. The thing's up on production, so that's good.
Yay!
And so that's a good thing. I still, of course, always have a little bit more security work to do. And so,
Your favorite.
Yeah, my favorite. But at least what I needed to get done, I got done. So, you know, today's Friday, today's the day, so we're good.
Well, at least when we were working support at IBM and it was a RACF issue or a, what's the OEM?
Secret.
Yeah, top secret.
ACF.
We're just like, sorry, you go get your security person to help you figure that out. And when you get that sorted out, we'll help you with the next step. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
And we just go on our merry business, but now you're getting stuck with it.
Yeah, I have to.
You can't just pass it off.
I can't go fast off.
I was putting up my latest Lego bricks that came in the mail, sorting them along with the last of what I had gotten at Guardian Angel, and I'm just sitting out here relaxing. It's kind of clouded up, but I don't think we're really going to get any rain. Waiting for Dawn to finish up for the day. It's like 4:45 going on 5 o'clock, something like that. Tuck says he'll take it. He's human. Don's making a repair to his tool. And I'm just kind of looking up, enjoying the clouds going by. Don made his repair to his tool, and he's just pulling out some stuff around this pretty red maple so that we, you know, stuff's not crowding it. I told Don he did really good deciding to work over here by the street light since he got out here a little later than normal.
You didn't bring the BB gun? I could put that light out.
Well, you're paying for it, so yeah, I'm sure it would cost you more money. He said he'd like to told me that he.
Oh, that's the one I was supposed to.
Yeah, the other big one. Yeah. You go, Donnie. Wow, that was pretty big.
Yeah. I ain't got her yet.
No?
Yeah.
I got faith in you.
Well, thank you, Stevie. I ain't saying I ain't gonna have her. I ain't got so much reach. It's cold, the ground comes up.
Yeah. Don did not stop until he got it.
Right. It has three.
Perseverance.
It had 3 roots that went out
Wow.
in the angle, and that's why it wasn't just a root that went down like normal.
Yep.
That's why I had so much trouble.